Ibu Oom, dia sudah tahu masalahnya. Kertas-kertas ujiannya itu tidak sesuai dengan urutan. Ya. Padahal saya heran ini, tapi saya kan nggak tahu apa penyebabnya. Baru ketahuan oleh Ibu Oom. Ya. Jadi saya ulangi lagi, diperiksa lagi. Padahal nilainya itu bukan 44. Tas ujiannya hanya 3 lembar. Oleh karena itu nanti dia akan dilengkapi. Ya. Nah, yang tadinya saya ada siapa sih namanya, lupa lagi.
Pak Arif.
Hah?
Pak Arif yang jawabannya lengkap. Tapi
Pak Arif yang jawabannya kacau. Ya. Jadi saya tuh ya benar, hanya saya jengkel, saya marahin, saya kurangi nilai Anda karena Anda itu nulisnya kacau. Ini soal nomor 5 taruh halaman depan. Dan itu juga isinya hanya kan masing-masing soal itu ada terdiri dari 5 orang soal kecil. Dia hanya tulis 2. Ini kemana? Ini salah tata usaha. Urutannya itu udah kacau. Padahal semuanya benar. Jadi saya kembali lagi ke nilai, saya kasih dia 92. Mengerti nggak? Hal-hal begitu bisa terjadi. Waktu saya dulu masih cara kuno, cara lama, nggak pernah terjadi begini-begini. Sekarang banyak keluhan-keluhan datang. Nilai saya rendah. Karena saya punya nilai pribadi, ya, dan itu tidak bisa salah. Jadi saya selalu mencek nilai pribadi. Jadi nggak benar itu, mengerti? Tata usaha salah itu, gitu hal-hal begitu. Any questions you ask, I'll answer.
Tuhu yang.
You want to wait?
Pak Tuhu mau bertanya.
Saya izin tanya yang.
Ya silakan Tuhu ya. Ya Tuhu
Iya,
silakan.
iya. Mohon maaf ya nggak bisa nemenin hari ini karena posisinya di Solo. Kemudian terkait dengan nilai belum terprint katanya dari BEMA. Tadi info Bu Fitri dari saya juga. Itu solusinya seperti apa yang? Apakah saya harus ngomong ke Bu Oom?
Enggak.
Atau saya harus ke TU? Bagaimana yang? Makasih.
Ya. Bu Oom sendiri sudah merasa, karena saya tunjukkan ke Bu Oom di mana kesalahannya. Jadi pasti Bu Oom akan menegur tata usaha, harus hati-hati. Nyusun halaman itu karena ada berapa halaman sih, ada yang 3, ada yang oleh tata usaha tuh asal aja. Dan saya kan terima apa yang dikirimkan oleh tata usaha. Tidak tahu. Saya hanya meriksa soal-soal saja. Ngerti tuh. Jadi saya belum sempat saya kalau Anda sabar nanti saya akan periksa di mana kesalahan kamu. Karena kamu nilainya hanya 60. Mengerti nggak? Ini Emma tadi nilainya hanya 44. Makanya saya curiga. Itu. Tapi yang hanya ada 3-4 kasus, yang lainnya bagus. Maka saya bilang tadi, saya sangat puas. I'm very satisfied with your work. There should not be any problems. The whole test paper is clear. Anda tuh diberi kesempatan untuk you are allowed to check your books. Ya, oleh karena itu nilainya bagus-bagus. Karena saya menyusun soal-soal itu sesuai dengan bahan yang kita periksa mulai dari awal sampai sekarang. Itu kita baru sampai chapter berapa ya? Tidak ada dikacaukan sengaja begitu. Does that answer your question to who? Tapi saya belum sempat karena saya tadi menjelaskan ini ke nona-nona ini. Ya, letaknya bagaimana? Cara saya bagaimana? Dan saya sudah jelas. Sekarang first I will attend to your attendance, ya. Today is the 9th, ya.
Yes.
Is Putri there, Putri?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Putri. Uni Handayani. Thank you. Rahmati.
Yes, ma'am.
Arif Purnama.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Liga Valiansyah.
Yes, ma'am.
Tuhu ada.
Yes, ma'am, yeah.
Putri. Ya, walaupun you are far away, I see your face. And you can join the group, right?
Yeah, siap, yeah.
No
Yeah.
problem. No problem, Tuhu. Putri Ngawira.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Sophie ada. Your long name is Sufiatul.
Yes.
Thank you. Twini.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Nurlina.
Yes, ma'am.
Very clear. I have no problem. Hasana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Marianti.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Mary. Rahayu.
Yes, ma'am.
Atifatur.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Fitri Maulidia.
Yes, ma'am.
How do I call you? Fitri, ya? Zahro. Zahro.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Salsabila. Ya. Esther Suryani.
Yes, ma'am.
Haris.
Yes, present, ma'am.
Thank you, Haris.
Yeah.
Astri.
Yes, ma'am.
Did I miss anyone? Ada yang belum disebut? So altogether that I've always
Oh, complete, Eyang.
apa?
Complete.
Complete.
Complete semua.
Complete.
Oh yeah, all right. Yeah. No, I've always thought that there were 20 students in this class. Apparently, there are only 19. I think, are there more other questions or comments? No, everything clear. So, to who do you point out as moderator today?
It's me, ma'am. Putri
Putri
Andini.
Andini.
Putri Andi.
Putri Andini.
Putri Andini. And the presenters are siapa?
Zahro Salsabila,
Zahro saja ya panjang.
Ya, Zahro pakai Z, ma'am.
Yes.
Oke.
Who else?
Rahayu,
Any more?
no, that's all.
Only two.
Three, including me.
Zahro, Rahayu, who else?
Me, Putri, as a moderator and as a presenter as well.
Oh, the same. Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
Ya, I need your names ya for the score. Karena Anda kan diberi nilai semuanya juga untuk presenter itu. What chapter are we going to discuss today?
Key concept of systemic functional grammar, ma'am. Key concept.
Verb and tense belum ya? Can you repeat the title of the chapter?
Key concept of systemic. Key concept. Advanced and functional grammar.
Complex sentence structure sudah belum? Kayaknya belum sih. Sudah. Coba. Please, sorry. Please repeat slowly.
Advanced and functional grammar.
Ya, itu karena seluruh pelajaran
Key
namanya.
concept.
Masing-masing bagiannya apa?
Key concept of systemic.
Oke. Key concept.
Key concept. Chapter 8.
Key concept. Verb tense. Voice and emphasis. Discourse makers. Key concept. Have we discussed discourse makers? Already. All right. So today we are key concept on systemic. All right, you can begin.
Okay. I will begin then. All right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Eyang.
Morning.
Good morning.
All right. First of all, we'd like to thank our lecturer, Professor Dr. Sunarjati Jajanegara, for giving us this opportunity. And thank you also to everyone for joining our presentation today. We're excited to share our materials. But before we begin, let me introduce our team first. My name is Putri Andini, and I'm being as a moderator and also as a presenter as well. Joining me are Zahro Salsabila and Rahayu Erlina. Well, we hope our presentation it will be insightful. Okay, thank you. All right, the first slide it will be presented by me. Okay, next slide, me Zahro. Okay, it's about systemic functional grammar, or we can call it as in SFG. Okay, I will tell you all about the explanation first.
Excuse me, please stop. I want to put on the fan.
Okay, ma'am.
Yang kepanasan, Eyang. Bentar, biar adem. Kepanasan itu.
Emang kayak gini dia.
Tolong itu foto serem banget ya.
Kok ngezoom?
Itu ngezoom sendiri.
Melihat kita semua ya. She looks at us.
Berasa kita jadi host serem.
Okay.
I only have this fan. There is no air conditioning in this room. The only air conditioner is in my bedroom. Sorry. Anyone who needs to go to the bathroom is there. Emma already knows. Sorry for the interruption. Yeah. Yes, can.
Continue, Miss.
Yeah, Putri.
Okay, I will continue then.
Go on.
Yes, Putri. Okay, I will tell you all the. Wait a second. I think I will change my content first.
What are you saying?
I think it's connection.
Systemic functional grammar. What I see in front of me is systemic functional grammar.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm going to read that.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Lost connection kayaknya. Putri Andini sinyalnya hilang. Ganti device dulu.
Ya nggak apa. Ya,
Aduh.
sebisa-bisanya saja. Ya,
Nah, sudah hadir kembali.
ya, alright.
Nah, katakan lagi sinyalnya.
You can begin. Sudah dapat minum belum?
Sudah.
Oh, bawa minum sendiri. Ya, alright.
So sorry, everyone. Let me continue. I've just changed my connection.
I just one warning is that you read please slowly.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. All right, I will tell you all about the explanation first about SFG. SFG is a linguistic theory that views language as a system of meaning and also making. Okay, next slide, please. All right, there are some key concepts here. There are several. The first one is about metafunction, system, function, field, tenor, mode, theme, rhyme, grammatical metaphor, and the last but not least, it's appraisal. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, the first one, I will explain about metafunctions of SFG. SFG identifies three metafunctions of language. The first one is about ideational. It's about representing experience and ideas. Second,
Ideas, ya. Tekanan pada D. Ya,
ideas.
ideas.
Okay. Next, interpersonal. It's about establishing relationship and attitudes. Third, textual. It's about organizing discourse. For example, the teacher gave the students homework. Additional represents an action. Interpersonal reflect the relationship between the teacher and the student. Textual structures the sentence coherently.
Coherence.
Coherent.
Coherence, ya.
Okay, second is about system. A system refers to a set
Sorry, Miss
of.
Putri. It's me.
Oh yeah, sorry. I
It's
think
my
that's
turn.
all from me. Yeah. The next slide, it will be presented by Ms. Zahra. Please, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Miss Putri, for the explanation. And the two is system. A system refers to a set of action or choices applicable in language to convey is the student learning, interrogative, and learn student imperative. The three function
Imperative.
imperative.
Yes,
Imperative. Okay.
very good.
Three function. In SFG, functions refers to the role a linguistic unit plays in the larger context of a text or discourse. Example, the company is hiring new staff. The identitional function represents the action of hiring. The fourth, field. Field refers to the context in which language is used, including the topic, purpose, and participants. Example, in a biology textbooks, the field would be scientific knowledge about living organisms.
Organism. Stress
Or,
on.
okay, organism.
Yeah.
5. Tenor. Tenor refers to the relationships between participants in a communicative event, including power,
Event.
communicative event, including power, dynamics, and social distance. Example, in a job interview, the tenor would reflect the power dynamic between the interviewer and the
Interviewee.
interviewee.
Itu objeknya, orangnya yang diwawancara ya, interviewee.
And the interviewee. 6. Mode. Mode refers to the channel of medium of communication, such as spoken or written language. Example, a lecture would be an example of written mode. The 7. Dim. Dim refers to the starting point or topic of a clause or sentence. Example,
Please,
pause.
pay attention ya. This word is often pronounced wrong by Indonesians ya. Clause, walaupun the spelling is AU, but the pronunciation is O.
Alright, clause.
Yes.
Clause. A clause or sentence. Example, the manager, Dim, will announce the policy tomorrow.
Oh,
The Dim
sorry. Policy.
policy will announce the policy tomorrow.
Yeah,
The
announce
Dim,
is spelled with 2 N's, yeah? Announce.
oh yes, ma'am.
A-N-N.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, ma'am. The Dim is the manager. The next slide will be explained by Miss Ayu. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Miss Jahro. I will continue. Number 8, rim. Rim refers to the part of a clause.
How do you, excuse me, I've never come across this word. Rem. Ucapannya rem.
Rim.
Rim kan, seperti
Rim.
tim.
Yeah, rim. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tim and rim. Yeah, all right. So the pronunciation is important. Yeah. You must remember that. The first contact you make with a foreign speaker, first contact, itu selalu itu kan lisan. Kalau kita berkenalan dengan orang asing, selalu kan kita bicara, nggak nulis, kecuali kalau bisu. So, pronunciation and correct pronunciation is very important in learning a foreign language. And what I've noticed is that in Indonesia, that is not the case. Yeah. People studying or learning foreign languages, yeah, they neglect mengelantarkan ucapan. Padahal ucapan itu lebih penting dari tulisan. Karena tulisan itu lebih lama lagi. Kan kita maunya cepat, kan? Ya. So please remember the pronunciation of kata-kata yang, apalagi kata-kata yang sering dipakai daily, ya. Theme, idea, ya. Yes, please.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Rhyme refers to the part of a clause or sentence that develops or elaborates on the theme.
Yeah. Now,
Example,
please, this word is very important and is often used. Develop, berkembang. Develop, the stress on V. Now, please read the whole sentence again.
rhyme refers to the part of a clause or sentence that develops.
Now, develops, ya, tekanan,
Develops.
ya, tekanan to the second syllable.
That develops
or elaborates
or elaborates
on the theme.
On the theme. Example, the manager will announce the new policy tomorrow. Or rhyme. The rhyme is will announce the new policy tomorrow.
Enggak apa-apa, itu cuma
Now, grammatical metaphor. Grammatical metaphor refers to the use of grammatical structures to convey meanings they are not typically associated with those structures. Example,
akhir kata-kata bunyi-bunyi akhir, especially S and the final ed, itu harus diucapkan jelas, jangan dihilangkan. Structures.
Structures.
Memang kebiasaan Indonesia itu susah. S itu kompleks jadi kompleks, ya. Nah itu kebiasaan itu dibawa ke bahasa Inggris jelek. S final, S plural, S itu very very important, ya. Ya, please remember that. Structures. Clear.
Structures.
Yes.
Example, the company's profit. Example, the company's profits increased.
Nah, itu enggak increased.
Increased.
No.
Increase.
E-nya tidak diucapkan. Dan ini karena S is voiceless, D-nya itu diucapkannya dengan T. Increased. Aneh.
Increased.
Yeah. Yeah. Very, very good. Increased.
Increased.
Yes, very good.
Instead of the company. Instead.
Yeah. Stress on stead. Stead itu apa? What does it mean? Stead. Tempat. Sebetulnya. Ya. Instead of daripada, ya, daripada the company mean, ya, instead. Yes.
Instead more money uses a metaphorical expression to represent the process of increasing profits.
Yeah, now repeat. Represent. To present. Ya, jadi The stress falls on send. To present,
To
menyampaikan.
present.
Yeah. Yeah. There's
Number
a common word ya. Kata yang umum saja, represent, mewakili. Ya. 10.
10 is appraisal. Appraisal refers used to express evaluation, attitude, or emotion.
Ya, nah ini used. Tidak, nggak ada orang mengucapkan used. Ini kata, saya nggak mengerti. What does it mean? To use. What does it mean?
Menggunakan.
Iya,
Menggunakan.
menggunakan, memakai. Kata umum sehari-hari. Use, used. Dan karena
Use.
S is voiceless, D-nya itu tidak diucapkan used. Enggak kan? Ucapkannya used saja. Ya,
Used to express evaluation, attitude, or emotion.
emotion. Ini kata-kata
Emotion.
saudara, ya, kata motion, kata emotion, jadi ditambah saja, tetap ucapannya motion, ya. Motion itu pergerakan. Jadi emotion. I-nya itu hanya syllable apa? Ya, just a syllable I, ya. Emotion. Tetap kata kata pokoknya motion. Motion itu you all know what motion means, ya. So tetap ucapannya motion, emotion. Yes, sorry. Go on.
Emotion.
Yes.
Example, the beautiful painting. Miss Zahra, I'm sorry.
Yeah. What is missing?
I'm not see all. Okay. Okay, thank you. Example, the beautiful painting. The word beautiful expresses a positive evaluation.
Yeah.
Okay, next slide, please. Okay, principles. The first one is language is a system of meaning making. The second is language is functional and serves different purpose.
Purposes. Kenapa dihilangkan?
Purposes.
Ya,
Different purposes. The third one is language is shaped by context and culture.
Shaped. Ya.
Shaped.
Betul, shaped.
By context and culture. Please, next slide. Applications. SFG has been applied in various fields, including education, linguistics, and communication studies.
Iya, itu ini someone has copied it ya. Ini di copy dari teks lain ya. Karena kok banyak salahnya. Various itu kan plural, beberapa. Kenapa fieldnya itu tidak plural? Ini juga yang jadi ngekopinya itu menirunya salah. Ya, various fields including education. Yeah.
The second is it is used to analyze and improve communication in different contexts, such as education, business, and healthcare. The conclusion is SFG provides a powerful framework for understanding how language works and how it can be used to create meaning in different contexts. Okay, that's from me. Thank you.
It's finished.
Yes, okay, I
Thank you.
think that's all from our group. Thank you so much, Miss Zahro, and also Miss Rahayu, and thank you also to Eyang for listening and the others as well. I think that's all from our group, and sorry for the mistake.
Who is Rahayu?
Rahayu Erlina.
Yes, ma'am.
Is she going to read also?
Yes,
Yes. Please go on.
already finished. Already finished. She has already finished.
Rahayu.
Yes.
Oh,
Tadi
Just
the last
now?
one. Yeah, the
just
last
now.
one.
oh, just now. But all right. I missed her picture. Oh, here, Rahayu Erlina. All right. Yeah. Now the last one is Twini.
No.
Sorry. Putri sudah.
Sudah.
So everybody, Zaro
Sudah.
sudah. Yeah. So this is about key concept. Can we return to the beginning?
Yes. This slide is.
The slide, ma'am.
Zaro.
The first slide, Miss.
I want
Okay.
to practice this. Yeah. Do I want to have the I have to read the text of the rules karena saya mau tidak hafal apa yang tadi di so I want to make new sentences for you to practice. You understand?
Yes.
So I must have a text, ya, dan with the rules dengan peraturan-peraturannya. Can you put that in front of me right from the beginning? Mulai dari awal.
This is, ma'am. This is the beginning of the slide.
System theory that views language as a system of meaning making. Teruskan. Please go on. Metafunctions SVG identifies three metafunctions of language, additionally representing experience and. Can you, example, the teacher gave the students homework. That means additional. Additional represents an action. Interpersonal reflect the relationship between teacher and students. Texture structures the sentence coherently. So there are three explanations here. Yeah. Example, the teacher gave the students homework. Ini namanya additional represents an action. Nah, maybe Emma, you think of a sentence. You make a short sentence with an example like this. The teacher gave the students homework. Now make a sentence like that. Similar to that. Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. The student finish the homework.
The student finishes kan satu orang.
Yeah, finishes. Okay. Finishes the homework.
Yeah. Right? That's very good. Yeah. Short. Yeah, make it short. Supaya gampang. No, Sophie. Ini mau Sophie namanya. And your name? Fitri. Yeah. Now each of you build a sentence like itu ya. Nah, sentence-nya namanya textual organizing discourse ya. Interpersonal establishing relationship and attitude. Ya hampir sama yang dengan tadi. Yeah. Yeah, please. Just a short sentence. Cocok yang sama aja dengan example. Yeah.
Me first. Fitri first.
Yeah, yang gitu
Okay.
saja.
Father told the children to clean the room.
Yeah, please repeat.
Father told the children to clean the room.
Iya.
Interpersonal reflect the relationship between father and children.
Children. Bagus, ya. Establishing relationship and attitude. Ya, Sophie.
The mother cook pizza for her children.
Can you repeat that?
Mother cooked pizza for her children.
Cooked pizza. Yeah. Yeah.
Additional references an action and interpersonal reflect the relationship between mother and children.
Children. Yeah, yeah. Baik. Ya. You don't say cook. Cook itu ya terjemahan dari memasak ya. In prepare. Yeah. Prepare pizza for the children. Sorry. Next example. Yeah, go on, please. Teruskan yang berikut.
Maybe you can
Teruskan.
Maybe you can call this name for answer the question.
What do you mean?
The last slide. On the slide.
Ini harusnya yang kembali yang tadi. What do you mean? Ini udah beda nih teksnya. Nah ini ya. Kan tadinya interpersonal establishing relationships and attitudes. Itu tuh semua dari your 3 sentences. Itu semua menyatakan number 1, interpersonal establishing relationship and attitude. Itu.
Yes.
Ya. Ya, jadi belum textual organizing discourse. Ya, belum ke sana. Nah, ini example. Ini example-nya, the teacher give the students homework. Nih, artinya additional represents an action. Additional. Ini saya sendiri nggak mengerti ya. Ini tuh satu-satunya maksudnya apa? Additional representing experience and ideas ya. Yang number 1. Identifies 3 metafunctions of. Can you explain to me? Yeah. Jadi number 1 is metafunctions. SVG. Metafunctions artinya SVG identifies 3 metafunctions of language. Nah, ini contohnya 3. Coba. Maybe What's your name again? Fitri. Which are the additional representing experience and ideas? Which are they? Yeah.
From the example, additional represent an action itu actionnya.
Mana-mana saja,
Gave-nya.
mana-mana saja additional representing experience and ideas itu ya function. Contohnya mana-mana saja karena disebut example kan. Nah, jadi tadi masing-masing itu saya minta satu contoh itu ya. Mengerti ya? Ya. Jadi
kalau berdasarkan slide yang ini, metafunctional itu diidentifikasikan menjadi 3.
Ya.
Yang pertama, additional itu actionnya. Berarti dari example-nya, the teacher gave. Nah, gave itu action.
Ini example of what? Which one, yang mana? Additional atau
semuanya.
interpersonal?
Jadi satu sentence itu meliputi 3 ide: additional, interpersonal, and textual.
Additional, interpersonal, and textual.
Ya, additionalnya itu ada di actionnya, di gave-nya. Kemudian interpersonal itu ada di relationship-nya. Kalau dalam example ada teacher between student, itu interpersonal. Kalau textualnya structures-nya. Structures yang digunakan dalam kalimat itu. Jadi satu contoh itu mengandung 3 identifikasi bahasa.
Iya, baik. Alright. Textual structures. Textual adalah structures the sentence coherently. Ya, memang teks itu harus kokoh ya. Next slide. After metafunction ada apa? System. Ya, kita we analyze first, Number 2, for instance, system. A system refers to a set of options or choices available in language to convey meaning. Actually, this is simple, but the sentence makes it difficult. When we look at the example, for instance, the system of mood includes options like the student is learning. Why is it called declarative? Siapa yang belum dapat? Siapa yang mau coba? Why is it called declarative?
Karena ini merupakan pernyataan. The student is learning. Just it, declarative sentence. Kalimat pernyataan.
Ya, betul. The student is learning. It's a declaration. Pernyataan. Ya. And why is it called interrogative, Sophie?
Karena is the student learning adalah kalimat pertanyaan.
Iya, bagus. And learn student, Emma, why is it called imperative?
Karena kalimat imperatif itu berfungsi untuk memberi perintah.
Iya, betul. It's short ya. Ya, saya maksudnya begitu. Ya, jadi Anda mengerti ya. Ya, very short answers. Now the next one, number 5. Function. In SVG, FG, functions refers to the role a linguistic unit plays in the larger context of a text or discourse. Ini bisa panjang ini, large ya. Example. I must understand this. The functions refers to the role a linguistic unit plays in the Example, the company is hiring new staff. The additional function represents the action of hiring. So, can you explain what the additional function here is?
Can you call the name over here?
Linguistic, kita cari linguistic unitnya dulu ya. The role a linguistic unit plays in the larger context. Now you have to look at the example. Where is the linguistic unit that plays a large role? Yeah. SVG functions refers to the role a linguistic unit plays in the larger context of a text. That's not easy to find. Can you point out to me? Yeah. Which one is the role that plays that place refers to the role. How big does it represent context of text or discourse? This is a long sentence, makanya. Yeah. Functions refers to the role a linguistic plays in the larger context. Now, can you point out what the larger context is?
The larger context stands for hiring.
The company is hiring new staff. It's not easy. The company is hiring a new staff. The additional function represents the action of hiring. The additional function. Nah, additional functionnya mana?
Additional functionnya itu yang hiring karena menunjukkan action yang dilakukan. Nah, karena ini SFG berarti kan ada 3 seperti yang awal, yang meta function yang ada interpersonal, ada ideational sama tekstual. Nah, tapi yang di sini yang the larger konteksnya yang dibahas itu yang ideational functionnya yaitu hiring. Menunjukkan action. Nah, kalau yang ditanya mungkin interpersonal, nah berarti itu yang ditanya relationship-nya. Berarti the company sama the new staff-nya.
Ya, mungkin juga lebih jelas in the next explanation field-nya ini ya.
Iya.
Ya. In a biology textbook, the field would be scientific knowledge about living organisms. Ya. Jadi in a biology, lebih luas, would be scientific, not scientific itu luas kan, seluruh ilmu, ya. Knowledge about living organisms. Living organisms-nya itu yang membedakan barangkali dari membedakannya dengan animals ya. Kalau ini plants ya, textbook. Alright. Can we go on with the next text? Coba shift it. Before 5 itu apa? Nomor 4. Tadi itu apa? Feel. Sekarang the next is tenor. Coba tenor. Tenor refers to the relationships between participants in a communicative event. Tenor refers to relationships between participants in a communicative event, including power dynamics and social. This has to do with people. Example. In a job interview, the tenor would reflect the power dynamic between the interviewer and the interviewees. Ya, tapi ini between two groups of people. Ya. Tapi what does it have to do with tenor? Ya, the name tenor. Itu tahu tenor apa? Actually, the actual word of tenor, the actual meaning of tenor. Tenor itu penyanyi ya, biasanya laki-laki.
Nada suara.
Iya, betul. Ya, jadi saya bingung ya. This is not easy. Example. In a job, the tenor would reflect the power dynamic in a job interview. The tenor would reflect the power dynamic between and the interview. Now, how would be the connection between an interviewer and interviewee? Bagaimana hubungan antara orang yang wawancara dan orang yang diwawancara, ya. Dan ini contoh dari tenor, ya. Jadi tenor itu yang mempunyai kuasa, pastilah, ya, mempunyai kuasa terhadap yang diwawancara. Sedangkan arti, the original meaning of tenor is actually the voice of a male, of a man. Yes, yeah. He is called a tenor. Kan karena a man has a stronger voice. Tidak ada tenor perempuan.
Kalau perempuan soprano.
Ya, betul. Ya, gitu. Ya. Mode. Mode refers to the channel of medium of communication such as spoken or written channel. Example. A lecture would be an example of written mode. Why is a lecture called a written mode, Sophie? Such as spoken or written mode. Tapi ya bisa spoken juga ya. Mode. It's just the way, cara. Ini kan dua-duanya cara bisa. Ada cara yang written, ada cara yang spoken. So, disebut mood. Type boleh dikatakan type sama dengan type. TYPE ya. Very good. Nah, sekarang Emma nomor 7M. Theme refers to the point or topic of a clause or theme. Iya.
Di contohnya itu kalimatnya the manager will announce the
Policy tomorrow.
Nah, the itu kan refer to starting point. Jadi the-nya itu the manager, terus will announce the policy tomorrow itu ininya. The itu sama lanjutannya
Policy.
RIM. If I'm not mistaken. Jika saya tidak salah, the itu biasanya bersambungan dengan RIM. Nah, the-nya itu starting point, RIM-nya itu lanjutan dari the-nya. Nah, the-nya itu the manager, will announce the policy tomorrow-nya itu RIM-nya.
Okay, makes sense. Yeah. Baik, students, I think we've done enough for today. Because I want to do something else here which has to do with the ujian. Ini khusus ya harus uraikan kepada, especially because you have problem, yeah, and you must go and come back, and it's not. It is very hot, yeah. You want to have payung, pakai payung ya?
Kalau saya nanti bisa jalan atau mesen Gojek karena kan jauh ke depan. Jadi nanti naik Gojek aja.
Nggak
ada bisa pesan.
Bisa
Iya,
pesan.
bisa pesan.
Ya.
Nanti kalau ternyata dekat setelah berangkat saya bisa jalan pulangnya.
Enggak, saya suka jalan. Tapi saya jalannya kalau tidak panas-panas begini. Ya, saya pagi-pagi atau sore. Karena kalau naik ojek suruh tunggu aja.
Oh iya benar.
Suruh tunggu aja supaya rada. You can order an ojek ya. Yeah. You know this address?
Yes.
Yeah, Pendidikan nomor 35.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You say that you want to share my score. Alright. Ada problem ya?
Atas nama Putri.
Oke, saya your paper.
Iya. Ini disudahi aja.
One by one ya. Nanti kamu juga mau tanya apa-apa. You want to ask something?
Sudah tahu.
Sudah tahu. I have now my score.
Oh yeah, and there are
I don't have problem.
any problems.
No.
Ini masih lanjut atau sudah dunia?
Terus, Sophie, kenapa? Tanyain dong yang bermasalah siapa aja. Jadi dakdikduk.
Yang salah satu dong.
Iya dong, lihat dong.
Coba didata dulu, nanti saya coba bicara dengan Bu Om nanti.
Iya, biar tahu siapa yang problem, biar bisa
Punya problem.
Ini udah selesai
Yang
ya?
tim mau kemana sih? Udah selesai.
Ya, aku mau
Emang Yanti kemana?
Mau ada acara kayaknya.